Hello everyone, we'll see the another question. This is complete 14 marks question. See, X and Y entered into a joint venture to take a building contract for rupees 24 lakh. They provide the following information regarding the expenditure incurred by them. Materials X and Y, X 6 lakh 80, Y 5 lakh, cement 1 lakh 30, 1 lakh 70, wages Y 2 lakh 70, architect fees 1 lakh, license fees Y 50,000, plant Y 2 lakh. Plant was valued at rupees 1 lakh at the end of the contract, and Y agreed to take it that value. For 1 lakh only Y going to be taken the plant. Contract amounted to rupees 24 lakh as we seen in the beginning, and was received by X profit and losses to be shared equally. If any venture firm, if they're getting profit, shared equally. If the loss also getting shared equally. And now you are asked to show joint venture account and Y's account in the books of X. When we preparing the books of X, we need to prepare the Y's account, and when we prepare the books of Y, we need to prepare the X account. Both the account we need to prepare. See now first we'll see in the books of Y, X account under that joint venture account. See, debit credit particulars amount. See, to bank account. Both the co-venture have paid the expenses that will be treated as bank account. So material 6 lakh 80, cement 1 lakh 30, architect fees 1 lakh. The total is 9 lakh 10,000. And to Y's account, other than the own share of the other co-venture paid the expenses like material, cement, wages, license fees, plant 5 lakh, 1 lakh 70,000, 2 lakh 70,000 wages, license fees 50,000, plant 2 lakh respectively. So total is 11 lakh 90,000 paid by the co-venture Y, and they made the contract. X and Y both are made the contract rupees 24 lakh. In that, Y going to be taken the plant. Assets taken over in the value of rupees 1 lakh. The difference in figure will be treated as profit. So to profit on venture, own share of profit will be treated as P&L account. Those people sharing profit and losses sharing ratio is equal. 4 lakh divided by 1 by 2. So P&L account of X 2 lakh, Y's account 2 lakh. The total is 4 lakh profit. The both side is 25 lakh each. Now we need to prepare the Y's account in the books of X account. Debit credit, plant taken over by A. Here that will be credited. So now we are taken as a debited. If any assets, see 1 lakh, and by various expenses paid by the Y. See here, total is 11 lakh 90,000 in the joint venture activity. So by joint venture, and profit on joint venture. So 2 lakh part of Y's profit. So total of the both side, when the debit side getting low, that will be transferred to the bank account. So rupees 12 lakh 90,000. The total of the both side is 13 lakh 90,000. Next, in the books of Y, we need to prepare the joint venture account. See there. Now to X account, X going to be paid the expenses. See, what are they are paying? Material, cement, architect fees, total 9 lakh 10,000, and Y going to be paid the other expenses as we seen in the last one. So 11 lakh 90,000, and Y they made the contract. So Y's account 24 lakh, and plant taken over by Y rupees 1 lakh. The total of the both side you will getting profit. So profit on venture 4 lakh. The difference in figure will be treated as profit. Profit sharing ratio is equally. So to P&L account, own share of profit to be deposited to the P&L accounts 2 lakh, and another name of the partner is X account 2 lakh. The total is 25 lakh each. Now we need to prepare the X account in the books of Y account. So two joint venture accounts, both the parties made in the contract of rupees 24 lakh, and now they made the expenses. X going to be paid the expenses of rupees 9 lakh 10,000. X part of profit 2 lakh. The difference in figure will be transferred to the bank account. The total of the both the side is 24 lakh. See one more question. A and B entered into a joint venture in timber. Profit were to be shared equally. A was to purchase timber and send to it to B, who would sell it. On 1st March 2012, A purchased timber worth rupees 20,000 and incurred rupees 1,200 as expenses on forwarding to B. Immediately draw upon B for rupees 20,000 rupees for 3 months. The accepted was discounted at 6% per annum with these bankers. B paid rupees 2,000 as freight, 1,000 as commission and 400 as rent. All timber was disposed, sale for rupees 32,000 by B. Now, he forwarded a check to A for the amount due on 30th June 2012. Now, prepare the ledger account in the books of both the parties, A and B. Now, we'll see the first one in the books of A, joint venture account, debit credit to cash account paid by A. See, purchase made, A purchased timber rupees 20,000 and incurred 1,200 as expenses. See, so that own share of expenses treated as cash or bank account. See, 21,200 and see, continue. 20,000 draw immediately for rupees only for 3 months and he was getting discounted 6%. See, 20,000 into 6% and 3 months out of 1 year they're getting 300 discount, and B going to be paid the other expense, other co-venture paid the expenses, 2,000 as freight, 1,000 as commission, 400 as rent. The total is 3,400, and they made the all B sell the all timber at the rupees 32,000, disposed 32,000. The total of the both side you are getting profit, so 7,100 you are getting profit, and we need to distribute it to the both the parties. So own share of profit is deposited to the P&L account, sharing equally, so 3,550 each. The total of the both the side in the joint venture account 32,000. Now we need to prepare the B's account. See, particulars amount. They made the sales transaction 32,000 in the joint venture activity, and B going to be paid the expenses like freight 2,000, commission 1,000, rent 400, 3,400, and in the joint venture B is getting the profit of 3,550 and he getting the bills receivable 20,000, in that 300 as discount. So by bank account, difference figure will be transferred to the bank account 5,050. The both the side total 32,000. Now after preparing the in the books of A, now we need to prepare the in the books of B. See, joint venture account, debit credit. Now we are preparing B's account in the books of joint venture. So A going to be paid the expenses like purchase 20,000, expenses 2,200, total 21,000. A is getting discounted out of 20,000 6%, and out of 1 year 3 months, so 300 is discounted to the A's account. And to cash account, other co-venture pay the other expenses. See, freight, A going to be paid, so freight, commission, rent 3,400, and they made the sale transaction, all timber was sold 32,000. The both side total you will get the profit on venture, the 7,100 sharing equally, so 3,550 each. The total of the both side is 32,000. Now we need to prepare the A's account, debit credit. Two bills payable account, 20,000 is going to be paid, but B is going to be receive the amount. And by joint venture account, various expenses paid by A 21,200 and is getting the discount rupees 300, and A part of profit 3,550. The difference in figure will be transferred to bank account 5,050. The total of the both the side in the A's account is 25,050. Other question will be continued in the next class.